Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Last week was Black Friday, so of course, I did some shopping and a little bit of damage. Nothing too crazy. So, this video is going to be a Sephora and Ulta haul because I bought some stuff at Sephora last week and then I bought some stuff yesterday that I want to share with you guys. And then I did an Ulta order on Black Friday, I think, because they were doing like 10 off 40, and then some things were like discounted to like 10 bucks. So I was like, I need to get on that. So not everything from here was on sale. So even though it is like a Black Friday haul, because most of the stuff I got on Black Friday, it wasn't all on sale, if that makes sense. But anyway, excited to share this stuff with you guys. So if you guys are interested in what I purchased over the course of Black Friday, Cyber Monday, like that type of thing, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into the stuff. I'm first going to start with what I got from Sephora. So recently, a lot of people have been speaking about this product, talking about this product, and I was really intrigued by it, and I was like, what the hell? Why not purchase it and see what it's all about? So this is from Briogeo. This is the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Biotin Dry Shampoo. So this is pretty much just like I'll show you guys right now. So like you twist the cap, and then right there is a little nozzle, and you kind of shake it up, and this is just like powder inside, and then you squeeze the bottle, and it's like powder that literally just like disperse into the air. So you just kind of, obviously, like any dry shampoo, I put it like at my roots and back here, like wherever like I get like the most oil. And I haven't washed my hair since Monday, I think. Since about Monday, and we're on Thursday, and usually by now I would need to wash my hair, and I've been using this every single day, even like the first day that I washed my hair, because a lot of people have been saying that like their hairstylists say like use dry shampoo as more of like a preventative from getting oil. So I've been using it like a little like 1, 2, like 3 type of thing, and then I just zhuzh my hair, and it's been good. And I'm on day 4, and usually I can max out at 3 days because my hair is so thin and so fine, and it is kind of oily, so I have to be careful. But I haven't washed my hair since, like I said, Monday, and this is where we're at. And I don't think it looks dirty, doesn't look greasy. I have been using this every single day, like I said, and I think that it is working really good. I have to test it out a little bit longer to really see if it's actually doing anything, but so far so good. I have been enjoying it. I got it on Black Friday, so I've been enjoying it for about a little under a week now. Next is actually a funny story. Last week I filmed my empties video, and I spoke about this, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna wait a little bit before I go ahead and repurchase it. That same day I was at the mall, and I was like, I need that again. Like, I cannot live without it. This is from Drunk Elephant. This is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream Rescue and Recover. So this is a pretty pricey cream, but I raved about it in my empties video. I will link that down below for you guys. But I love this so much. It's such a nice, thick, just like good moisturizer. I mainly use it at nighttime because of how heavy it is, but it is just amazing, and I love everything about it, even though it is $60. Oh, it's so expensive. But like I said in my empties video, I bought this a little over a year ago, and it lasted me about a year and a few months. So I think it's so worth it. If you were like on the fence about getting this, I don't think that you should be. I think that you should check that out because it's great. Next is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Let's try that again. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Okay, there we go. Party all night, stay all day. So this is the small version because the big version is really expensive, and I did not want to spend that much. I purchased this because of, I think it was Nicole Guerrero was talking about it in one of her videos or Insta stories, and she said that it makes her makeup mask proof. So I was like, that's a really large claim. I need to check it out for myself. So I have used it about once, and then I wore my mask, and you know how sometimes you get like the mask lines from the mask, obviously. I didn't have that, but I really wasn't paying that much attention to it. So today will be the ultimate test because I will be wearing a mask pretty much all day. So, and I use this to set my face, so I'm excited to see if it is mask proof. But when I sprayed it on the first time, it was like hairspray, like you felt it like locking in your makeup. But then I was able to move my face. I was scared that I was gonna be like cry. You know, some like setting sprays that are really like durable setting spray, like they make your face feel like you would like just spray hairspray with it. This did that at first, and then it like sunk into my skin, and then I was good to go. But yeah, so So far, it's okay. Like, I mean, I used it today to set my face. It's not a matte setting spray. It's not a dewy setting spray. It's just like setting spray. So we will see. This is what I just purchased yesterday. So 2 of these are gifts and then the rest are for me. Have you guys seen that meme? I'll try to find it and like put it in here. And it's like the Grinch and it says, like something like one for you, or like you would like that, or some whatever, and then it's like, oh, I would like it. I'm totally butchering the meme, but I will try to find it and put it like right here so you guys can see. But that is me when I'm Christmas shopping. It's like, oh, you would like that, but wait, I would like that too. So one for you, one for me, one for you, one for me type of thing. That's how I roll around here. But yeah, so 2 of these are gifts. I'm going to share them with you really, really quickly. Oh, I spoke about this in my holiday recommendations video, but that one that I spoke about was actually for me. Like, I purchased it for myself. This one is actually a gift. This is the Briogeo Merry Multi-Masking Conditioning Kit. So in here you get a full size of the Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. It's their original deep conditioning mask, just with like a honey scent. This one is the Briogeo original Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask right here. And then you get the Briogeo Be Kind, Be Gentle Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. So you get a ton of conditioners in here, and Briogeo has been a brand that I have used for years and years and years, and I love it and I swear by it. I even use it on my hair, and I have colored hair, and I think it is amazing, and I do believe that their Don't Despair Repair mask really does work. This one and the OUAI deep conditioning mask are my favorite. This one does, I have noticed, leave my hair a little bit more soft, and it really just smooths out my ends. So if you wanted to like have more softness in your hair, definitely check out this. I haven't tried the avocado kiwi one right here, but I am excited to try it. This is more of like a moisturizing mask, and then this one is like a repairing and moisturizing mask. So I have to test them out, but you get a full size 8 ounce, you get a 2 ounce, and then you get another 2 ounce over here. So I spoke about it in my holiday recommendations video because I do recommend this as a gift, or even a gift to yourself. To me, from me, love me. That's what my Nana always says. So those are the best kind of gifts. But anyways, no, this is a really, really good gift to get somebody. So funny, like before I sat down to do my makeup, I was like, all right, I need to get all this stuff, like all the makeup that I purchased, and use it in this video, and I didn't get anything that I purchased because I really wanted to try it all out today, and then I totally forgot that I got it all because I was trying to like get ready like really, really quick so I can film before I have stuff to do. And as I'm pulling or as I'm looking at all this stuff, I'm like, I really wanted to try this today, but I didn't. But anyways, moving on, this is another thing for me. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow Duo. So this is her contour and highlight kit. So they have a full size of it, which is like $60, and I've never purchased it because I'm just cheap and I didn't want to spend that much. So when I saw that they came out with like a little holiday edition of it, I was like, I need to get it. So it's super, super mini. Like when they say mini, like it is mini. So you get the sculpt and the highlight, and I've had my eye on this product for years. I really do like Charlotte Tilbury's products, and like I said, I've had my eye on it for years, and I've just never purchased it because it's been so expensive. So when I saw that they came out with like a little holiday edition of it, I had to pick it up for myself because I wanted it so bad. Next is another gift. So the Briogeo was a gift for somebody, and then this is actually a gift for the same person. This is the Belif Moisture Festive kit. So in here you get the Aqua Bomb Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm, Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner, not a full size, but you get a Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm, and then you get a Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. I really do love Belif. I love their products, especially like their Aqua Bomb line. I think is so good, especially if you're somebody that's has really dehydrated, dry skin. I love their stuff. So the person that I got this for told me that they really needed some skincare, and I saw this kit and I was like, this is perfect. So yeah, this was $38 and you get all this stuff. I think it's so worth it. You know, so if you needed to get somebody a gift, this is another great gift to get somebody. But yeah, I would totally buy this for myself too, by the way, because you do get a lot of stuff in here. But yeah, so up next is from the Inkey list. This is the Retinol Eye Cream. I have been wanting to purchase this for months, but every time I go to Sephora, it is sold out, and they finally had it in stock, so I was like, I need to pick this up. The Inkey list and Ordinary are kind of like in the same price range for the most part. They're like they're like give or take a few dollars, and they're really, really good. So I had to pick this up. This was like $9, so $9 for an eye cream is totally in my price range, totally in my budget. So I picked this up. I did want the retinol actual cream, but of course Sephora was sold out, like as they usually are, of pretty much everything that I want. But yeah, so I picked this up. I have spoke about this product 150,000 times in my channel, so I'm not going to talk about it a lot. It was just a restock. This is the OUAI texturizing hairspray. I was running low on the one that I had, so I had to pick up another one because I've said this recently on my channel, but I've noticed whenever I run out of it and I don't repurchase it, my hair doesn't look the same like when I style it. So I was like, I need to get one before I run out. Like I cannot run out. So picked this guy up. This next product, it was the one product I was so excited to try out today, and of course I forgot completely that I even got it. This is from One Size. This is Patrick Starr's makeup line. I got the Ultimate Setting Powder because I have heard and seen so many good reviews on it that I was like, I need to test it out. I did pick up the mini version of it because that's just what I do whenever I'm trying something out. I always pick up like the travel size and the mini version if they have one before I commit to the full size. This packaging though is really cute. I love how it's like matte pink and then like the matte clear right here. So yeah, I have seen a few people talk about this and say that they really like it. If you guys aren't new here, or if you guys are new here, you guys know or you don't know, but my go-to setting powder is from KYLIE Cosmetics. I haven't strayed from that in about a year. It's just like, it is rock solid. Like I know I can count on it. So it took a lot in me to really try to branch out to buy a new setting powder, but like I said, I have seen so many people talking about it, so I was like, I need to test it out and see if it's that good. I'm moving on to Ulta. I was just on Ulta's website and this was so impulsive of me, but I really wanted everything in here. And they had the 10 off 40, so I was like, why not pick some stuff up? So the first thing I want to talk about is from Morphe. I feel like nobody talks about Morphe anymore. Like I haven't heard anything like about them. Like I mean I have, but I don't think that they're like as hyped as they once were. But I saw this and it was, oh my god, my hair keeps getting in my mouth. I saw this and it was a palette that I wanted because I was looking for like these tones, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money by buying it from like a higher brand. So this is the AT&T Truth or Bare palette. I haven't purchased a Morphe palette in like 3 years or 2 years. I don't know. I could be really dramatic, but I don't know when the last time I purchased one was. So let me show you guys. The packaging is really like really cute. I love it. And then the colors, so you get like a big mirror, which is awesome, but then these are the shades, and I've been wanting a more cooler toned like palette. I have had so many, or I have purchased so many like neutral palettes in the past few years, and I was like, I need a good cool tone, because even though I love the warm tones, cool tones is just who I am. Like I love a cool toned like eyeshadow look, and I just think that it looks really good on like my eye shape and like my eye color, so that's why I really love them. So I picked up this palette and I was like, I need it. I think it was like $18, so it wasn't that expensive. I'm just looking at my makeup because whenever I sit in these lights, then I get up close, I'm like, Alright, so up next is another product from OUAI. This is like brand new, like this just came out like a few weeks ago. This is the OUAI hand cream. And when I saw it, I was like, I need to try this. So I picked it up. They do have like the big one. It's like a really beautiful, it's like this same packaging. Like it's just really like nice and neutral and pretty. They have it like in the bigger size, and I wanted it because I want one for my nightstand, but it is like $30. So I was like, let me get the travel size and see if I even like it before I commit to buying that. And I did want to try the soap too, because it's just, OUAI's packaging is just so minimalistic, but so like sleek and chic, and I love it. So I picked up the hand cream. I'm actually going to put some on right now because my hands are so dry. I haven't tried it yet, which is funny because I was really excited for it, but I've been so like distracted that I haven't even like given myself a chance to try it. Let me see. Oh, it smells. Oh, what does it smell like? It smells like rose, and it's just a really beautiful scent. Like I just think OUAI does their scents really nice. So let me just moisturize my hands. It is rubbing in really nice. It is like a thicker formula, but it's not like too thick. You know, sometimes some hand creams are like really thick that you can't even like rub them in. This one is really nice. So up next, this item was on sale and it was like, I think $10 off, so I had to pick it up. This is from KYLIE Cosmetics. This is one of her blushes. I got it in the shade Pink Power. I've been using the same like deep pink shade forever, and I wanted more of like a baby pink. I'm wearing it on my skin right now, but I don't know if the camera is picking it up. but let me show you guys. This is what the color looks like. It looked more pink on the website, but I do still like it. I am a big fan of her. I think I just messed up my nail, but I can't tell. I don't think I did. But anyways, I am a big fan of her pressed powders. I love her blushes. I like her bronzers. I like her highlighters. I love her, what is that? I forgot. It's like a pressed powder. It's like her finishing powder or something, but I do really like her powdered formula. And it was 10 bucks, or yeah, it was 10 bucks for that blush. So I was like, need to pick it up. Next, I had to restock on this because this is one of my go-to cleansers, and everybody that I introduced this cleanser to loves it. So I can thank TikTok for this. Obviously, this is from CeraVe. This is the renewing salicylic acid cleanser. It is just such a good cleanser, and it really just cleans out your pores and just makes your skin look beautiful. And if you are having breakouts, this is the cleanser that you need. It's changed my skin. I use it about 2 to 3 times a week because salicylic acid is a type of exfoliant, so I don't use it every single day, but I think it is gentle enough where you can use it every single day if you wanted to. But I think it is such a good cleanser, and it's sold out everywhere. I can't get it in Target, I can't get it in Walgreens, so when Ulta had it in stock, I just had to purchase it because I was like, I'm literally like completely out of it now. So I saved this product for last because when I saw this and I saw that Ulta finally had it in stock, I had to purchase it. I haven't even opened it yet because I was waiting to show it to you guys on camera because I was so excited about it. So if you're like my age, like 24, 25, 26, I'm 26, then you totally know what this brand is. I mean, I feel like anybody in their 20s knows this brand. This is Morphe's, I think it's with Morphe, right? Yeah, this is Morphe's collab with Lisa Frank. You guys, it's so cute. It brings me back to like elementary school and just like having like my notebook and my pencils and everything Lisa Frank. That's honestly the only reason why I bought this. I didn't need it, but then I saw that it was like a brush set and it came with this cute little makeup bag with a little lion on each side, and I was like, I need this in my life. So let me just take this off so you guys can see. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So this is the, oh my god, it has that same smell that they used to have, like, you know, like that pencil case smell. Oh, I love it. And it even says Lisa Frank right here. So let me show you guys the brushes, because the brushes are also so cute. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 6, right? Yeah, you get 6 brushes. I couldn't tell if I was missing one. So you get 6 brushes in here. You get like a blush brush, like eyeshadow brushes, face brushes. The packaging is so frigging cute. It has like a little Lisa Frank like print right there. So cute. And then this bag, let me see. Oh my god, even the wrapping is so cute. Look at it. Look how it looks on camera. Whoa. That is so, oh, it's so cool. I think I want to keep this just because of how like cool it is. I put it in like the background of my videos. Whoa. That would be so, oh my god, I love that. Okay, anyways, moving on. This is what the inside of it looks like. So it is super cute and super big. I probably won't ever use it just because I won't want to like dirty it up, or maybe I will eventually give in and use it, but I just think it's so cute and it just brings like so many memories from when I was like a little girl in elementary school. So I had to pick this up. Alright guys, so that completes this Black Friday, Cyber Monday, like whatever you want to call it. Like I really did buy most of this stuff during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and then I picked up a few little things yesterday. But yeah, so that completes this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I'm really excited about all of these products, and I really wish that I used most of them today, but I was like in such a rush that I totally forgot that I even got any of these. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. Let me know if you guys bought anything during Black Friday from Ulta, Sephora, anywhere. Let me know if you guys did any big shopping on Black Friday, like TVs, laptops, anything like that. Let me know down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!